When searching for the right windshield repair service, keep these important things in mind. Windshield damage is a common problem faced by most every vehicle owner. Unfortunately, many times the damage can leave your vehicle hard to drive safely. Qualified mobile windshield repair services are ideal in helping you get back on the road safely and without interruption. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find windshield repair that is right for you. 1. Before calling for your windshield repair, do a quick search for the grade of glass your vehicle requires. Once you know, explain the nature of the problem thoroughly and ask the company if they have the same grade you require. 2. Ask if there are any additional fees you should know about to replace your broken windshield. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right windshield repair. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.